channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, new features in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaked. New code analysis reveals Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will support satellite text and calls. Also, One UI animation get better with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and many other great features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung is expected to equip its upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra with satellite connectivity, a long-anticipated feature that was notably absent from the Galaxy S24 lineup. This development, revealed through a detailed examination of Samsung app codes by Android Authority, marks a significant upgrade for the next generation of Galaxy smartphones. The investigation uncovered references in Samsung phone app such as you are in satellite mode, you can send text messages including to 911, emergency calls may still connect if a mobile network is available near you, and you can send and receive text messages in satellite mode. In contrast, Apple has successfully introduced a satellite emergency calling feature in its devices, and Google is incorporating broader satellite support in Android 15. With advancements in satellite communication and Google integration in Android smartphones, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and possibly the entire S25 lineup is poised to introduce these space-bound features to Samsung users. On the other hand, One UI animation get better with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra model. Now, a fresh leak has popped up by a reliable tipster IceUniverse, claiming that Samsung is going to make the One UI animations feel much smoother and better with the Galaxy S25 Ultra model. The leak also adds that the One UI animation would take advantage of the new Galaxy S25 Ultra design and feel more natural. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung may fix the animations and make them appear more smooth and natural when opening and closing apps. Since the tipster specifically talks about the opening and closing animations, when these changes in the One UI animations, other Galaxy devices could also benefit from the changes Samsung may have in store. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.